We got some more questions on the board. This one says, LevLeib, while someone is in the bathroom at Shul and the bathroom is close enough to hear everyone praying or Torah read, is this a problem?
Don't concentrate on that. That's a very good question. Yes. Yeah. Don't concentrate on that. Yes. Just try to think about something else, because it for sure is an issue. Yes.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So may a person that has to deal with this problem at his shul or her shul breathe with hair earplugs, of course not on Shabbos or whatever, but in case.
So maybe talk if there is nobody else in the bathroom, that let the person talk to himself. I think. To something like try to concentrate on something, like think about something.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.